10 study tips for students. Number 1. Find your space. Your study space should inspire you and make you feel comfortable. But make sure it is distraction free. Number 2. Pick your time. Find the time that suits you. Some study better at night, while others in the morning. Don't push yourself to study when you're tired, it just won't work. Number 3. Make a plan. Use a wall planner or the calendar on your phone. Make to-do lists to break down large tasks. Set alarms and reminders to keep you on track. Number 4. Set goals. Write out your goals when you begin. Make sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, timed. Number 5. Find your style. Get to know your learning style. Do you learn best by listening, seeing, or doing? Number 6. Review. Revising your work is the best way to make the knowledge stick. Quiz yourself or make flashcards to really understand your topic. Number 7. Take breaks. Studying tired isn't going to be productive. Take a break, walk around every now and then, and the time you spend working will be much more efficient. Number 8. Just ask. If you're stuck, ask for help. Even talking with friends or family might help you see a problem in a different way. Number 9. Stay healthy. A healthy mind needs a healthy body. Make sure you are eating well and drinking plenty of water while you are studying. Number 10. Be motivated. Use your goals and study space to keep you motivated. Stick up quotes that inspire you. They will help you remember what you education are working towards. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tips for Success. Share it for others. Have a nice day.